Hello, future billionaires. In today's video, I want to do a quick review of the Amazon Business Prime credit card issued by American Express. I had this card for over a year now, and I had the opportunity just to test it out and see how some of the benefits and features work, and I want to share that with you on today. Now, if you find yourself using Amazon a lot for your business purchases in addition to Whole Foods, I do recommend you get this credit card because it has up to 5% back for which you can get for your business. I highly encourage you to get the card. And so now I'm going to go over some of the features and benefits with you. Now, you do earn 5% back on your Amazon Business Prime credit card for any purchases made at Amazon or Whole Foods for up to $120,000. Once you exceed that $120,000, everything else after that is 1% back. Now, for any purchases made with your Amazon Business Prime Express card at restaurants, gas stations, or wireless cell phone carriers, you only receive 2% back. Now, I do find that rate to be very low in contrast to all my other business credit cards, but you do receive 2% back. For any purchases made outside of gas stations, restaurants, or wireless cell phone carriers, you only receive 1% back. Now, this card does have a 90-day no interest period where any purchases made on Amazon or Whole Foods, if you purchase, let's say, massive amounts of products where you wanted to kind of defer the interest for 90 days, you do have that option with this card. And I know, there's many other cards out there that kind of present you with this option too, but just wanted to let you know that the Amazon Business Prime American Express card does present you with that option also. Now that we've talked about the features and benefits of this card, let's look at the requirements of this credit card. So I will denote you will have to have good credit to apply for this credit card. Now, myself, I possess, other American Express business cards in addition to personal credit cards with the American Express. So when I applied for this card, it was just a soft credit pull for myself because I already have existing American Express cards. So if you currently do not possess American Express cards, when you apply, they will do a hard credit pull in addition to checking your business credit. So you have to make sure that your business is set up correctly to ensure that there is no red flags or anything that's going to prohibit you from actually obtaining this card. Now, if you have any questions about applying for this card, or if you have questions about your business being set up correctly, I advise you to contact us. But if there's any questions that you have about applying for the card, you shouldn't apply. I'm going to tell you that right now. You got to make sure your credit is intact, in addition to ensuring that your business is set up correctly. Because if those two things are not intact, you're not going to be able to get this card. So if you currently do have credit challenges, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can actually go to that provider for which we're referring you to so that you can work on repairing your credit for actually 2023. You don't want to go into 2023 without good credit, guys. I want to make sure that you get good personal credit so that when you actually apply for these business credit cards, you'll have the good credit behind you to help you get these business credit cards. I want to make sure that in 2023 that you have good credit. In addition to that, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video also that if you have questions or comments or anything about your current business setup, please give us a call. Look, we know what we're doing. This is a space that we actually help others in, and we want to ensure that you get that business credit you deserve. So if you enjoyed today's video, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next upcoming video.